Hello there and welcome to our short video chat about something that is very popular in terms of the call-outs that we get, Wi-Fi. You'd be surprised how many people have absolutely terrible Wi-Fi in their house. Usually it's people that go out and buy these terrible Wi-Fi extenders and they think they're going to solve all their problems. It's one of the worst things you can waste your money on. Instead of buying a Wi-Fi extender, let us put one of our wireless mesh systems in for you. They're significantly better, give you much better coverage, far more reliable, handle more devices streaming at the same time, but they've got to be set up the right way. So many people go out and buy a mesh system and they have no idea how to set these things up correctly and they never perform as they could. Let us come to your house or your business and fix your Wi-Fi. The advantage of the mesh systems as well is that some of them have built-in parental control systems, so that's a major bonus for your kids if they misbehave. You just flick a little button on your app and no more internet for Johnny if Johnny misbehaves. So there you go. And if you have an employee at work who's maybe misbehaving and browsing sites he shouldn't, we can put in employee monitoring systems as well. But predominantly Wi-Fi. If you're having problems with Wi-Fi, call IT near you. We can certainly help in most cases by drastically improving your internet connection speed as well as your Wi-Fi. And having both consultants on hand for business as well as mobile tech support people who can, call the consultants for advice, you're going to get the best service possible. You're going to get the right person with the right skills to do the job right the first time. So give IT near you a call on 0800 4200 42 or go to our website and just contact us and we'll send someone out to help you. We're IT near you, the computer support company near you in the greater Wellington region.